What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the virtual challenge of this channel. So what we got going on here is I've created a Christmas tree for you to take and design Christmas ornaments to hang on in your class. We're doing this in my class, and I just wanted to create a polished product and share with you guys if you'd also like to use it. There's a couple things in here when you download it. It's going to be an F3Z file. It's going to be a compressed Fusion file. That's because it's already going to have the LED bulbs, the Christmas tree, and that topper. The topper is courtesy of Corey Duzan, wonderful teacher, and so thank you, Corey, for that topper. What we got going on here is a tree that's been modeled. It's got kind of some LED lights strewn all about, ish in different spots. And then I want you to notice an approximate size for the Christmas tree ornaments that you or your students are going to be making and what might look appropriate. This is just a box. It's about 4 inches, so it's 3¼ inches. It's a 3¼ inch box, just to show you the scale of how big you want to create your ornaments to be hung on this tree. So I'm going to tell my students anywhere from about a 4-inch box size shape. Again, some things are going to be more prone to spheres or rectangle prisms or things like that. But overall, you want it to be about the size of a 4-inch square, if not just a little bit bigger. And that would allow you to hang up this tree looking out pretty well. With that being said, there's a couple things in here just as some helpful to hang your ornaments. On the end of every branch here, you've got a small little rounded off portion, and that is just to help do that joint a little bit easier and get that alignment in there a little bit nicer. I'm curious on what you guys are going to do with this, so if you make something cool, awesome. And if you want to make something and me hang some of your students' ornaments on our tree this year, I would love to do so. Feel free to reach out in any way, and hopefully this project will be something for you to do. I'm going to check that rendered image and to see if it's ready yet. Not quite yet, but let's do an in-canvas render just so we can see what this is gonna kind of look like. And so we see that the PLTW neon signs lit up and that those LED bulbs are a little nice and bright. You're welcome to play around with those, put more in there if you'd like, and have some fun with this. So yeah, hope it works out for you guys. Take care and good luck.